Keegan's Kitchen, and for today's recipe I'll be making a pan-seared spicy honey garlic chicken breast. Now I believe that pan-searing your chicken breast is one of the easiest and fastest way to do it. I'll show you just how to do it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'll be doing is to cut my chicken breast in half. Here it is. I'll just be using two chicken breasts. Each one weighs about a pound. I'm just gonna grab a parchment paper and you're just gonna do like this. Place your chicken breast on the parchment paper, close it up, and then we're just gonna pound our chicken breast. Now you want to pound your chicken breast until it's about a ½ inch thick. You know, this is gonna allow your chicken to cook more evenly at a faster pace. It's gonna be juicier, more flavor. It's just gonna be better, all right? So just pound it until it's basically thin, all right? So that's it, all right? And we're gonna do the same thing to the other piece of chicken breast. All right guys, so now I'm gonna show you all the seasonings that I'll be using for this recipe, and then we'll move from there, all right? All right guys, so here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. I have complete seasoning, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper, garlic paste, and honey. So all of these seasonings that I have here, I'll be combining them together to create this delicious, juicy recipe. All right guys, so before I go ahead and add my seasoning, I'm just gonna remove these, you know, fat, these extra fat from the chicken breast. I also previously washed my chicken with lemon juice, vinegar, and water. Now it's time to add our complete seasoning. I'll be using 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Time to get our hands dirty. Give it a nice little massage. We just want to make sure all 4 pieces of our chicken breast is completely seasoned. All right, looking good. All right, y'all, so for today's recipe, I'll be using a cast iron skillet. Once the skillet is heated, I'm just gonna add some cooking oil. All right, so my skillet is nice and hot. All right, guys, so I'm about to go ahead and flip the chicken breast. It's been 5 minutes. All right, guys, time to make our sauce. I'm gonna add some garlic paste. Then I'll add my honey. And we're just gonna keep this on low heat. Mix it together, give it a nice little mix. All right guys, so after mixing the garlic paste and the honey together, this is what it should look like. We're just gonna pour it on top of the chicken and we should be good to go. All right guys, so I'm just gonna pour my honey garlic sauce all over the chicken breast. All right, just like this. If you have a brush at home, just spread it all over evenly. And if you want to do both sides, you can, you don't have to. So guys, this is our spicy honey garlic chicken breast pan seared. I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of cilantro, parsley, whatever you have. If you have parsley, use parsley. If you have cilantro, you know, whatever herbs you have at home.